joined by multitudes in song.
This from the sailor, this from outfitting my soldiers and sailors, this from the bakers, markets, and mills. Nothing but bills, no, nothing but bills.
Oh, your Royal Highness, I think I have found a way to pay the bills.
What? Do you really mean it?
I have found a miller's daughter who can spin straw into gold.
What are you waiting for? Bring her in and tell my coaches to come in too. I want them to know the good news.
I go at once.
Bound them up neatly this time. I'm going to pay them.
Pay them? What will?
You'll see. Just fetch the last 3 bundles of straw from the stable and the spinning wheel from the attic.
Yes, Your
Well, I see you have heard the news. And here comes the magic maiden now. Oh. I see you have spun your own hair into gold. Would you spun my straw for me, for the good of your country and mine? We must have gold or the land will be lost.
Oh, Your Royal Highness, I should like having better, but I cannot work with magic.
But your father tells me you can.
My father likes having better, but I can boast about it. There's nothing I cannot.
So that I can see. Splendid. Put the bundles of straw in the closet over there and the wheel on the front of the door.
Must I stay for all this year?
No, we shall leave the room until the straw is spun into gold. And we must come back.